Here's what I think the impact of interest rate cuts will have on the South Australian property market in 2025. Well, we've seen recent news come out that inflation continues to fall in Australia, and it's now within the Reserve Bank's target band to start to look at interest rate cuts into 2025. I think interest rate cuts before Christmas this year are really unlikely, but I do think it's now become a conversation of when, not if, interest rates will be cut, and they certainly won't be raised now. That's going to give buyers confidence in the housing market, and it's a housing market that over the last 12 months really hasn't lacked much confidence. Despite the cost of living crisis, we've seen prices in Adelaide increase by 14% year on year, and with recent news from Domain that our median house price is going to hit $1 million by the end of the year, our market isn't slowing down, and that's in the current interest rate environment. So you factor in interest rate cuts and affordability increasing as a result of that to allow more buyers to enter the market. What you're going to see is a more competitive housing market in 2025 with buying getting more difficult than what it has been. And the only thing that's going to really fundamentally change that, in my opinion, is seeing more construction approvals and more dwellings being built in South Australia. Until we see supply increase to cater to the demand that we're facing, and some of that demand, yes, has been caused by an increase in migration over the last few years, and obviously more people moving into our great country and our local area. It means that until we see supply increase to cater to that, we're going to see demand outpace the supply chain, and we're going to keep seeing days on market less than 30 days and ultimately strong selling conditions. So strategy is going to matter. If you're looking at selling and buying, you know you're going to be able to sell well, but being able to have a buying strategy and how to actually then navigate the complicated landscape between selling and buying is going to be tricky, and it's certainly something that our team can help with. But I'm interested in your predictions. Do you think that the local market is going to continue to be strong into 2025, or do you have some other predictions in your mind of where the property market will be heading in South Australia? Let me know your thoughts.